I am a runner who lived life with passion and speed. I was happy and free like a bird. My respiratory system seemed to be working fine. I was breathing, but that wasn't the case. I had a serious respiration problem. My oxygen level dropped. I couldn't breathe. I needed additional oxygen and needed to use a medical ventilator. A medical ventilator is a machine designed to mechanically move breathable air into and out of the lungs to provide the mechanism of breathing for a patient who is physically unable to breathe or breathing inefficiently, like me. It is used in home care and hospitals. A medical ventilator blows air into your airways through a breathing tube. One end of the tube is inserted into your windpipe and the other end is attached to the ventilator. The breathing tube serves as an airway by letting air and oxygen from the ventilator to flow into your lungs. The ventilator uses pressure to blow air or a mixture of gases like oxygen and air into the lungs. This pressure is known as positive pressure. You usually exhale, breathe out the air of your own, but the ventilator does this for you too. A medical ventilator can be set to breathe out a set of numbers at a certain time. Sometimes it is set so you could trigger the machine to blow air into your lungs. The failure of the mechanical ventilation system may result in death or could lead to hyperventilation, and that is why it is classed as a life-critical system. Because of the medical ventilator, I am alive today, and it is used all over the world. Learn more from healthcanada.gc.ca. Thank you.